What's up, guys? Welcome to another week of Prep, Cook, Plate, Repeat. This week's episode, we're going to make fresh pasta. We're going to make you stop buying store-bought, and we're going to start making you make fresh pasta. Super, super simple. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to need is 2.5 cups of flour. Now, you can use, if you don't have pasta flour, you can use all-purpose flour. I don't have pasta flour, which is okay. But I'm going to use regular flour. Good old Pillsbury. We're going to put it right on the board, old school style. Then you're going to make a little well, like they do in Italy. Just like this. Make a little well, because you're going to put your eggs here. Okay. Just you want to see the board. There we go. Now we see the board. Beautiful. Okay, next, I got 6 eggs. I'm going to go straight egg yolk. I'm not going to do whites. I just want to go straight egg yolk. I'm going to crack it. And then you have your yolk and right inside. The reason we use egg yolk is because we don't want our pasta super wet. We want kind of a dry pasta. It's going to help catch the sauce once we cook it. It's going to be all together. Okay, there. Beautiful. Super easy. Something that you and your loved one can make, you and the kids. It's a fun activity to do at home. And it's pretty quick. Some people get discouraged by making pasta, think it's hard. As long as you have a board and a pasta maker, like this machine next to me, it's super easy to do. Okay. Good. Right in. Okay, let's get this out the way. We're going to go in, we're going to mix these eggs. Just like you do in scrambled eggs. And as I'm mixing, I'm adding to the mixture here. I'm adding it little by little. Okay? Little by little. Now start to really mix that up. Now it doesn't look like it's going to come together, but it's going to come together. You got these little lumps, which is fine. Okay. Now, let's scratch this. We're going to add salt because you need to season the pasta now. Can't season it after. Add salt. 2 nice big heaping portions of salt. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil, courtesy of the Sicilians, right in. We want the pasta to have flavor. We don't want it to be bland. Now, start using your hands. Nice. Start squeezing. It's almost like you're kneading bread, right? Ever made bread before, or pasta, or pizza dough? Just get it to come together like that. See that? Starting to come together. You need to knead it so we can activate the gluten. So you have nice elasticity. And it's homogeneous right now. It's really nice. Just like that. I'm going to add a bit of water and bring this together. Cold water. It's a little dry, which is fine. Just pour right on top. Beautiful. See that? That's nice. It's going to make a little mess, but it's okay. More water. So now you're starting to get the shape of the dough ball. All right? Pick it up. Do one of those. If it's a little sticky on you, just take a little bit of flour and pour right over. Just like that. Okay? Okay, we're going to plastic wrap this. We're going to keep this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Just so that gluten has time to relax. If we go and roll this right now, the pasta's going to break apart. It's not going to be good. So we're going to let this rest, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so our dough is resting in the refrigerator. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a quick sauce. A lot of people make tomato sauce on the weekends, and it takes 2 to 3 hours. We're going to do a quick, they call it Salsa Fresca, which means fresh salsa or fresh sauce in Italian. So all it's going to be is just garlic, fresh garlic that we're going to chop by hand. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. You guys seen this method before. It extracts all the water from the garlic and it makes it into a paste. So if you don't have a zester or garlic press, you can always add salt to it and it'll start making it into a paste. All you have to do is take your knife and kind of grind it into the board. All right, I'm gonna add a little more salt. Just like that. As you can hear it grinding away. A little kitchen hack 101. Okay, beautiful. Looks good to me. See how it's starting to come together? Easy. Right into the bowl. Okay. Next we're going to do is cut our tomato. So we're going to cut it in half. We're going to dice them. Okay. Now we're going to rough chop these tomatoes. If you have a grater at home, that'd be fine. But I'm going to chop these all up by hand. If you have a food processor, you can put it in the food processor, same thing. All right, so we're just going to chop these by hand. Old school way, when it didn't have all these machines now. Okay, beautiful. We're going to go right into the bowl. Okay. Great. Next, some basil. I'm going to tear some pieces off. It smells really nice and aromatic, a little sweetness, a little pepperiness. Nice, beautiful. One of my favorite herbs to use. Gonna give this a quick rough chop. I don't want to bruise it. Right in, just like that. Simple. Okay, next, oregano. Right in, nice pinch. Some coarse black pepper. Coarse is always better, fine is too strong. And a little bit of salt. Right in. And then some good extra virgin olive oil. Take our tongs here. We're going to mix this up. You can make this a couple hours in advance. The longer it sits, the better it will get. When we're done stretching our pasta, this is going to get cooked for like 2 minutes tops. We want it still kind of raw because you want to be able to taste that freshness. So we're going to put this away. We're going to come back and start rolling out our pasta. Be right back. All right, guys, so our sauce is ready. Our dough is ready to be cut. You're going to take this dough. You're going to flatten it out just a little bit. Take your knife and cut it down the middle, just like that. Beautiful. See that nice dough right there? That's really nice. Okay. Flatten it out just a bit. Take a little bit of flour. Put it in your pasta mixer here. Put some on the dough as well. We don't want the dough getting stuck. Okay. Flatten it out just a bit more. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. What you're going to do is take this and slowly, oh, careful now. Once you get it, let it fall there and then grab it by this end here. All right. Look at that. Wow, that's nice. Alrighty, it works. It's the first time you're using this machine here. I'm scared it didn't work. It does work. We're going to put a little bit more flour. You're constantly putting flour because you don't want the pasta to get stuck. Now, same thing. Got to be delicate with pasta. Okay? We're going to put it through. What this machine is doing for us, it's kneading the dough. It's kind of mixing everything together. This is the largest setting on here, so this is the thickest setting here, right? We can cut these now if we wanted to and make spaghetti or make fettuccine, a thicker style pasta. All right, but we're gonna go a setting down. Maybe this doesn't work. Oh. Okay, there we go. There it is. We're gonna fold it. Fold it one more time. And like a little book. And now, Hold on now. No, come on, doesn't want to catch. Setting's too small. Gotta go bigger. Okay. Flatten it out. We'll go in this way. Beautiful. Okay. Fold it again. You want to kind of make it the same size as this is, because if it's bigger and overlapping, you're going to rip your dough. You want it to be the same size, so just measure up to it, and it looks like all of it will go in. This little piece is sticking out. Just kind of make a nice rectangle here, right? See that? Okay. And then go right in. Just give it a little time. Push it down if you have to. And there you go. What we're doing is we're building layers, and we're also activating that gluten in here, right? Do it again. Let it fall. Okay, now let's try setting another setting. Let's try this one, see what happens, see if it works. Beautiful. That's nice. Gonna do another layer. Again, measure it, even. And another one. It's all right. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna cut this piece off. I'm gonna put this on the other side. We can cut this two different ways. We can do it by hand, which is the old school way, and then we'll do new school. So we'll do two ways to show you. We're gonna put it right into the spaghetti setting that's back here. Take this off. Take that off. Put it into there. That's nice and smooth right there. Now let's see. Right in. Cross your fingers. Hope it works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes. That's very nice. So grab it as it's coming through. Look at that. We got it. First time is, look at that. Pasta. Beautiful. All right, we're going to roll this other dough, and we'll be right back. And we're going to cook this pasta. It's going to take 2 minutes tops. This is fresh pasta. It's not store-bought. That takes 11 minutes. It takes 2 minutes to cook. So we'll be back, and we'll show you how to plate everything up. All right, guys. Our pasta is done. Our sauce is done. Now it's time to plate everything up. We're going to add a little bit of extra virgin. Okay. And a little bit of cracked black pepper. All right. Okay. Grab a nice big piece. Give it a little twirl. Okay. That's good. Let's grab a spoon. We're going to spoon over this nice fresh tomato sauce. Right over it. Just like that. Okay. Beautiful. Finish it with a little bit more black pepper and a little bit of pecorino romano. Just like that. Super simple dish. Nice, flavorful, and easy to make. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And we'll catch you next week.